Good afternoon, dears. Welcome to our today's class. How are you? Hope all are fine. Okay, today, before moving into our class, I am going to ask you a puzzle. Okay, are you ready to answer the puzzle? Then here comes the question. I'm a bird, I'm a fruit, and I'm a person. What am I? Can anyone answer? Yes, the answer is kiwi. Okay, have you heard about the bird kiwi? And there is also a fruit named kiwi and also a person kiwi. Okay, so and here comes the next question. That which is our national bird of India? Can anyone say that? Yes, it is peacock. Yes, very good. Here it is. Peacock is our national bird of India, right? Okay. And which is your favorite bird? Yes, everyone will have their own favorites, right? Okay, my favorite bird is here. Look at the picture. He is my favorite bird. Do you know his name? His name is Robin. Okay, Robin. Robin is singing something. Let's listen to his song. Okay, come on, let's listen to the song of Robin. Before listening to the song, we have to learn something new. Then only we could understand what Robin is singing. Okay, today we are going to learn the seasons of India. Okay, there are mainly 4 seasons are there. You can look at the picture. Which are the seasons? Please read those names. And here it is given like winter, spring, summer, and autumn, right? Winter, spring, summer, and autumn. And the correct order is spring, summer, autumn, and winter. അതായത് ആ ഒരു ഓർഡറിലാണ് വരിക. ഫസ്റ്റ് സ്പ്രിങ്, ദെൻ സമ്മർ, ദെൻ ഓട്ടം, ദെൻ വിൻ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, ആ ഒരു ഓർഡറിലാണ് വരിക. സോ ലെറ്റ് us explain. I will explain the season for you. The first one is spring season, and in those season it is said to be the happiest season ever. Okay, it is the happiest season ever. So spring is the happiest season. You can see in the picture everything is calm and quiet, right? Everything is happy and bright. And next one is summer season, in which the days were bright. Okay, in which the days were bright. And next comes the autumn season. In autumn season, you could see the trees leaves may fall. Okay, at this season, at autumn season, the leaves of the trees will fall. Okay, then you can imagine, you can understand it as autumn season. Okay, the next one is after autumn it comes winter season. Okay, it comes winter season, and winter season is the coldest. You can see in the picture, it is icy season or cold season of the seasons. Okay, it is the coldest seasons. And next again, which season will come? Yes, spring season will come. This will repeat in the ഇയേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു വർഷത്തിൽ ഇതിങ്ങനെ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. ആദ്യം സ്പ്രിങ് സീസൺ, ദെൻ സമ്മർ സീസൺ, ദെൻ ഓട്ടം സീസൺ ആൻഡ് വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ. ഓക്കെ, സ്പ്രിങ് സീസൺ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താണ്, കാം ആൻഡ് ക്വയറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു സീസണാണ്. സമ്മർ സീസൺ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഡേയ്സ് വിൽ ബി ബ്രൈറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് ഓട്ടം സീസൺ, ഇൻ ഓട്ടം സീസൺ വാട്ട് വിൽ ഹാപ്പൻ, ട്രീസിൻ്റെ ഒക്കെ ലീവ്സ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഫോൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കും. അതാണ് ഓട്ടം സീസൺ. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് കം വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ. ഇൻ വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ വാട്ട് വിൽ ഹാപ്പൻ? യെസ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദി ഐസി സീസൺ ഓൾ ദി കോൾഡസ്റ്റ് സീസൺ. നല്ല തണുപ്പുള്ള എന്താണ് സീസൺ ആയിരിക്കും വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ. സോ ഇത് മനസ്സിലായാൽ മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ റോബിൻ്റെ പാട്ട് ലിസൺ ചെയ്തിട്ട് കാര്യമുള്ളൂ. നൗ ലെറ്റ്സ് മൂവ് ടു ദി സോങ് ഓഫ് റോബിൻ. Okay students, now let's begin our class. Our 7th chapter name is Robin. 7th chapter, Robin. I have already said which is the national bird of India. Yes, very good. So here we are going to read this poem. Read with me. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song, Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Okay, I will repeat the first stanza for you. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Here, our bird Robin, can you see Robin here? He is singing. What he is singing and when he is singing? Yes, he is singing when the days were bright. When we will get bright days? Yes, during the summer season, right? Summer season ലാണ് നമുക്ക് bright days ഉണ്ടാവുക. So, at that time, he sings. What did he sing? He sang sweetly that, thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. എന്താണ് റോബിൻ പാടിയത്? Thanks, thanks for summer. He sang with thanks, thanks for summer. What did he sing? Thanks for summer. He sang with all his might because he was very happy, and all will be happy during the summer season, right? So the days will be bright, and because of the happiness, our Robin sings that thanks for summer. Okay, I will read it once again. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Okay, friends, now let's move to the next stanza. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. And next comes the autumn season, right? Autumn days. In autumn days, as we have said already, it is the falling season of everything, and everyone will save food for the next season, right? And here Robin is singing that there are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. Okay, there will be fruits for everyone, and let all give praise to whom? Yes, to God. Okay, so once again I will read for you. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. And in the next stanza, which season will be the next? Yes, winter season. Okay, in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. And what did he sing in the winter season? Yes, he sings that somebody must sing or winter will seem long. Somebody should sing in the winter season or winter will seem long. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഓക്കെ വിൻ്റർ സീസണിൽ ആരെങ്കിലും ഒക്കെ പാടണം, സിങ് ചെയ്യണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് തോന്നും? വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ ഒരുപാട് ലോങ് ആയതുപോലെ തോന്നും എന്ന് പറയാണ് ആര്? റോബിൻ. ഓക്കെ, once again I will read it for you. In the cold and wintry weather, the winter season is very cold, right? So that is not very cold, and that is not good for us. So somebody should sing to make the winter go fast. Okay, so he is saying that in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. And Robin himself sing on that winter season also to make the winter go fast or winter will seem long. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വിൻ്റർ ഒരുപാട് ഉള്ളതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് തോന്നും. നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ചെയ്യണം. Then when this next stanza, when the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. And our Robin sing during the winter season, and hence the winter season go fast. And here comes which season again? Spring season. And here comes the spring season. And what did he said? I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. If you sing through the winter season, it will always go fast. അതായത് നിങ്ങൾ വിൻ്റർ സീസണിൽ പാട്ട് പാടിയാൽ, എന്തെങ്കിലും പാടിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്ന് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് പെട്ടെന്ന് പോകും, അത് പെട്ടെന്ന് കടന്നു പോകും. വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ പെട്ടെന്ന് കടന്നു പോകും എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ആഫ്റ്റർ വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ വി ഹാവ് സ്പ്രിംഗ് സീസൺ. ഓക്കെ, സോ I will read the whole poem once again. Please read with me. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, and said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. And in this poem, we have learned the 4 seasons. Which are the 4 seasons? Can you say that? Everyone will start with spring season. Spring season ലാണ് നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. Then spring season, summer season, falling season or autumn season, and it is what? Winter season. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Once again, spring, summer, autumn and winter. Okay students, that's all about this poem. Now let's discuss the exercise of this poem. Okay, first one, find and write the rhyming words from the poem. This is very much familiar for you and you have to do it yourself. Okay, എങ്ങനെയാണ് എഴുതേണ്ടതെന്ന് മിസ് പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് എന്താണെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാലോ, മിസ് ഒരുപാട് പ്രാവശ്യം പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. ഒരേപോലെ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരേപോലെ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ വരുന്നതാണ് നമ്മൾ റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് റൈമിംഗ് വേർഡ്സ് പെയേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ, അപ്പോൾ ഒരു പെയർ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക, അതായത് ഒരു വേർഡ് ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക, അതിൻ്റെ പെയർ ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ലൈക്ക് യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് 4 pairs of rhyming words. Okay, how many pairs you have to write? 4 pairs. Okay, after this class, after watching this class, you have to send that to me. Okay, and this is a homework for you, a activity. And let us discuss the questions from this chapter. First one, what did Robin say when the days were bright? What did Robin say when the days were bright? Days bright ആയിരുന്നപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് റോബിൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്? Yes, let's check the textbook. And when we will get the bright days? Yes, during the summer season, right? So on the summer season, our Robin said that thanks for summer. He thanked for summer, right? So the answer for the first question is he thanked for the summer season. When will be the days will be bright? Yes, during the summer season. Summer season lana days bright ആയിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. ഏത് സീസണിലാണ്? Summer season. So during the summer season, what did Robin said? Yes, he thanked for summer season. Then next one, when did the fruits arrive? What did Robin do then? When did the fruits arrive? Yes, during the autumn season. Autumn season, the fruits will arrive. And what did Robin do then? What did Robin do that at that time? Yes, he asked everyone to give praise. To give praise. He asked everyone to give praise, right? Then third one, what happened in the winter? What happened in the winter? You know that winter season will be very cold, right? Okay, what happened in the winter? Yes, the answer is here. Yes, in the cold and wintry weather, still hears his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. So what will be the answer for the question? What happened in the winter? Yes, so we could answer like this. In the winter season, Robin asked somebody to sing, or winter will seem long. Okay, fourth question, why was Robin always happy? Why was Robin always happy? In this old poem, you could see that our Robin is always happy. In the summer season, he is thanking the summer season. In the autumn season, he is praising. He is asking to praise. And the winter season, he is asking somebody to sing. And again, spring season, he is always happy. Always, all the season, he is happy. Okay, he was happy. So, why he was happy always? Why he was happy? Yes, that is the good character of our Robin, to become happy in whatever situation. എന്തൊക്കെ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ആണെങ്കിലും in whatever situation we should be happy. എന്തായിരിക്കണം, ഹാപ്പി ആയിരിക്കണം. ഏതൊക്കെ സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ പോയാലും നമ്മൾ ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക. അതാണ് റോബിൻ നമ്മളെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ. റോബിൻ ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് ഹാപ്പി ഇൻ ദ സമ്മർ സീസൺ ആൻഡ് ഇൻ ദ ഓട്ടം ആൻഡ് ഇവൻ ഇൻ ദി വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ ഹീ ഈസ് ഹാപ്പി ബിക്കോസ് ഹീ ഈസ് എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ദാറ്റ് ഹീ ഈസ് ഹോപ്പിംഗ് ദാറ്റ് ദ വിൻ്റർ വിൽ ഗോ സൂൺ. വിൻ്റർ ഇപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് തന്നെ കഴിയുമെന്ന് റോബിൻ ഹോപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ, പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് ഹീ ഈസ് ആസ്കിങ് somebody must sing and then the winter season will go fast and the next season is spring season. So the winter season will go fast and the spring season will arrive, and always our Robin is happy because he is happy in whatever situation he is. Okay, and here is a higher order thinking question. Let's look at that. Do you think staying happy all the time just like Robin is difficult? Why do you think so? അതായത് റോബിനെ പോലെ എപ്പോഴും ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടാണോ? നമുക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ടായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യമാണോ, കഷ്ടപ്പാടുള്ള കാര്യമാണോ എപ്പോഴും ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്? ഒബ്വിയസ്ലി ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക, എപ്പോഴും ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്, നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ആർക്കെ കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യമല്ല അല്ലേ. ചില സമയത്തൊന്നും നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമില്ലാത്ത പോലെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്ന പോലെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ സംഭവിച്ചില്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും സാഡായി പോകും. ബട്ട് ഹിയർ ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദി പോയം. ഹിയർ അവർ Robin is always happy in whatever situation he is always happy. So try to be happy always. Okay, in whatever situation you are, try to be happy. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് സിറ്റുവേഷനാണ് ഉള്ളതെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, and next activity is an interesting activity for you, joining the dots and coloring. You have to join the dots according to the number given here and you have to color this picture. Okay, this is an interesting, I know this will be an interesting activity for you. Okay students, and hence we have finished this chapter. Our 7th chapter is finished here. The 6th chapter will be taken in the next class. Okay, so okay students, be happy always in whatever situation you are. Be happy always. Okay, thank you, see you in the next class. Bye bye.